questions about the California Constitution, Article 10. How many sections does Article 10 contain? It has 7 sections. What does Article 10 relate to? Water. Does the right of eminent domain exist? Section 1 of Article 10 provides that the right of eminent domain exists in this state to all frontages on the navigable waters of this state. Do water resources have to be put to beneficial use? Section 2 provides that the water resources of this state be put to beneficial use to the fullest extent of which they're capable, and that the water or and that waste or unreasonable use or unreasonable method of use be prevented in the state, and that the conservation of these waters is to be exercised with a view to be reasonable and beneficial use in the interest of the people and for the public welfare. How are tidelands handled? Section 3 specifies that all tidelands within 2 miles of any incorporated city, county, or town in the state and fronting on the water of any harbor, estuary, bay, or inlet used for the purpose of navigation are to be withheld from grant or sale to private persons. There are some specified exceptions in Section 3. How are rights of way handled? Section 4 states that no individual, partnership, or corporation claiming or possessing the frontage or titled lands of a harbor, bay, inlet, estuary, or other navigable waters in the state will be permitted to exclude the right of way to that water whenever it's required for any public purpose, and not to destroy or obstruct the free navigation of water. How is public use of water determined? Section 5 notes that the use of all water now appropriated or that may be appropriated for sale, rental, or distribution declared to be of a public use, and it's subject to the regulation and control of the state in a manner that is prescribed by law. How is water use compensated? Section 6 specifies that the right to collect rates or compensation for the use of water supplied to any county, city, or town, or the inhabitants of there, is a franchise and cannot be exercised except in the manner that is prescribed by law. And finally, what happens when an agency of government acquires land? Section 7 provides that whenever any agency of government, local, state, or federal, acquires an interest in real property in the state, the acceptance of the interest will constitute an agreement by that agency to conform to the laws of California regarding the acquisition, control, use, and distribution of water with respect to that particular land that has been acquired by the local, state, or federal government.